What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Workbench in Shed Built Motorsports. We got the worktop all sealed up. We're gonna still router the edges, and once we router the edges, we'll seal up the edges from there. We're gonna start running some outlets for tools. We got a couple of ground fault indicator outlets, a USB outlet, which we will put in this area right here in a 2-gang box so that we can have some USB charging. And we will put an outlet under here as well so that we can have a vacuum receptacle for the vacuum and everything down here. We're going to start running the wiring, and we're going to run a line from there up to the corner of the workbench area. We'll do a drop to the 2-gang right here, and then from there we'll go ahead and we'll branch it off. There's going to be 3 outlets along this wall right here. Other than that, let's go ahead, we'll get to it. What I was going to do was run an extra leg from over here and down, but what I'm going to do is, since there's going to be 2 outlets here anyways, is I'm going to make another spot for another line to go, and there's going to be a 3rd line in this box, and then it'll go across here and drop down right there, and then I'll be able to get my 3rd run for the electrical box that's gonna go down here. So this outlet right here is the 2-gang box running one line down to that dust collection area or whatever we're gonna put down there. We need to bridge these all together. We need to connect these all together, and then we need to make 2 leads from each one of these, connect to the 2 outlets separately, and we'll have a constant connection for all 3 runs. So we'll be a branch for down there and then branch for the rest of the wall. first I'm going to start with the ground. I'm going to put everything else to the side. So we got our 3 rounds, and we need 2 ground leads. Twist them together. These are your 2 leads for the 2 outlets. You don't have a set of these, I highly recommend it. Set of Doyle quick strippers. These are awesome for automotive stuff, but obviously home stuff too. Alright, so all our pots are going to go together. So now we got our 2 hots for the 2 outlets. The two of these and then the 2 grounds. So these will go to the 2 outlets going in here, and then everything else is already bridged for the rest of these. So, of course, like clockwork, the camera died. So, progress. Outlet, 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 no outlet. Well, I wasn't expecting to actually put an outlet down there. I need to get one more, but we got them all wired up. We just need a breaker to put in the fuse panel, and then once we get that, we can check all the power in here. But everything looks good. Got it all ran. Got this one branch down there. Main power coming in, going across to these 3. Plenty of electricity. Oh wait, I didn't even know it. So, that wraps wraps it up for electricity so far. We can start getting all the ducting for the dust collection done. I think I'm going to have one in this area right here, coming up from underneath or from the wall, not sure yet. And then I think this is where like the grinder and there's going to be a drill press in this area right over here, so we'll probably have another suction area over here. But this one will just be, it'll be a bulkhead where you can attach the hose to the bulkhead somewhere around here, and then you can just stretch the hose to whatever it is that you're using, and then go from there. I'm going to start getting the shelves cut up, fit up the shelves, and that's about it. So I'll call this part 2. It's really like part 5 at this point, but we'll call it part 2. And we'll come back for part 3. We'll finish getting the wiring done. And then hopefully part 3 is us getting all of the ductwork and stuff like that done for the dust collection. And then we'll figure out what we're actually going to do for the dust collection itself. But until next time, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for those that are subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and smash that like button down at the bottom, because you know, gotta get 1,000 subs before I can start making anything out of all these hours that I spent friggin' making these videos. So, if you got any friends that want to come by and check out the channel, tell them to come by, shoot me a sub, and we'll talk to everybody later.